Question 2. The circle graph shows how Tremaine divided his time on the computer last week. Tremaine used the computer for a total of 30 hours. So in total, he used his computer for 30 hours last week. How many more, so it looks like we're going to compare, how many more hours did Tremaine use the computer to play games than to research? So we're comparing games to research. It looks like games was 25%. Research was only 5%. So how many more hours? Well, we don't know yet. We need to figure that out. We need to figure out these percentages of 30. But a quick way to do it is how many more. We're trying to compare research to games, and we want to find the difference. So it says how many more, how many more? We need to find the difference. So the difference between 25 and 5 is 20%. So he spent 20% more time playing games. But we need to figure that out as hours. You see all your answers are in hours. So let's set up our percent proportion. We know part over whole equals percent over 100. We don't know the part. We know he spends 20% more of his time on video games out of 100. And in total, so the whole, that's your whole, the total or your whole is 30 hours. To solve this, we need to cross multiply and divide. So we have 30 times 20. So we have 30 times 20. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, add. That's 600. So 600 is equal to, on the other side, 100 times x is 100x. Last step is to divide by 100 on both sides. We can cross out these zeros right here. So we cross those out. 6 divided by 1 is 6. So 6 hours more were spent on video games than researching. And here is our solution. So the key here was the word how many more hours. That told us we have to compare. So we need to find the difference between games and research. Subtract, that's 20%. So we have to find 20% of 30. Another way you could have done this, or, this is a big or, you could have also done 30 times 0.2 and gotten the same answer. So that's just another way to do it. Just don't forget your decimal when you're multiplying.